Not gonna lie, chat. I was just taking a little break, letting my back and my butt rest a little bit. I didn't even do like anything too crazy today, but I didn't even go that heavy or anything. On the corner over here, there used to be a Harley Davidson store, but it's not there anymore. All right, I'm gonna get back up and keep moving. Yo, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. We uh we keep our follows anonymous, but feel free to say hi if you want to, or just chill in there. It's entirely up to you. Yeah, look at that. It's kind of a weird look. It's kind of it looks like an electronics store or something, doesn't it? Oh, it's not in service. Look, I thought this bus was stopping for me. I got shook it. Yeah, look at that. It's kind of weird looking in there, isn't it? Look, I mean, we're looking in like creeps right now. What does that say? It says something trading. All right, we're gonna go closer. Yeah, and they're remodeling something next door too. I'm gonna try not to die, but I'm gonna cross the street real quick. I don't know what they're doing in here now, man. Oh, that's cute. No more lonely friends. I'm loading it. That's pretty cute. Something like that. No more lonely friends. You know, we just kind of walk around New York, Parliament. We walk around New York and hang out and kind of see what's going on, man. Yeah, I think that's what's going on. It's a cute name, though. No more lonely friends. I like it. It's pretty cool. They did a good job with it. So none of us are lonely anymore, either, friends. But yeah, Parliament. We right now we're doing IRL streams, walking around the city. We do stop and get food sometimes. Like I got some chashu last time. Uh, oh look, there's gonna be a Banksy exhibit here. Oh, there is a Banksy exhibit here. Oh, I bet Casey's charging a ton for that, Jess. Yeah, so I guess look at that, an unofficial Banksy exhibit. Interesting. You got to pay for it though. And we don't got money like that. But yeah, we're trying to kind of figuring out what we're doing, Parliament. Like some walking around, some food. Pretty new with this still, so trying to minimize the jank as well. But we're having fun with it regardless. We're walking up towards Canal Street, which you might remember from last time, and we're going to continue on into Soho. Oh, I'm glad. I'm glad you feel like you're just hanging out. Yo, is that Meyer? Yeah, what up, Meyer? Yeah, dude. We're out here in New York City, buddy. Of course I remember you, Meyer. What's up, buddy? I remember you and the Sapa streams too. Of course, bro. Welcome back, friend. Welcome back. Good to see you. Yeah, exactly. We're kind of just seeing what happens. Kind of just seeing what happens. We're gonna walk through Soho a little bit today. Well, we typically start around 3 Eastern time. The stream sometimes has some jank as is what happens with IRL streams. I'm learning, but you know, keeping it moving. keeping it fresh. I don't even know what I'm saying half the time. But now that it's daylight savings times here, we'll be able to stay out later because it's sunny later. And my charger is actually working now, thanks to some friends in chat. Just sent us a new big old power bank that's helping a lot. Yo, Meyer, let me know. Let me know, dude. I'll show you some spots. Oh, see, look, now we're shopping again, chat. Give me an extra $50 and I'll buy you a bag, chat. I'm just kidding. I don't have any cash on me right now. What do you want? You want Gucci, chat? You want shoes, chat? What do you want? Gucci, okay. Sure, I'll get right on that.